How to find best Upwork promo codes working in 2025. So before we go ahead and head over directly to Upwork's official site and purchase your connects, we'll help you out, lessen down the actual price. Now open up any reliable or preferred web browser that you can use, but on this video I'm going to be using Google Chrome. Now just simply type in wethrift.com, and then in here just go to search stores. Type it here, Upwork, and you should be able to see it at the very first result. So as you can see, these are the codes that you can use, and this is actually working. So top Upwork coupon codes for July 31st, 2025, but under each of the descriptions of the code is last reported working 11 hours ago by one of the shoppers. Just copy this code and paste it on Upwork's official site for you to make your purchase and connects. So that is how you find the best Upwork discount promo codes in 2025.